Moving on problem 24. The problem for number 24 is identify the vehicle types that are rented by customer from at least 3 different countries, including the vehicle type and the list of customers' country. And for the SQL code query that will be shown right beside me, I will now begin to explain the SQL query code. So this SQL query identifies the vehicle types rented by customer from at least 3 different countries. It also lists the vehicle types and the countries of the customers who rented that type. Now, with the selecting columns, VT type underscore name as vehicle underscore type retrieves the name of the vehicle type. Then, group underscore concat distinct C.country ordered by C.country ascending as customer countries. This gathers a list of unique customers in every country and ordered alphabetically as a single string for each vehicle type. Then next is count distinct C.country as country underscore count. This counts the number of distinct countries associated with each vehicle type. Next will be the joining tables, which the query joins several tables to access the required information. The rental details or RD is joined with customers to link rentals to the customer details. Next will be the rental details is joined with maintenance details and subsequently with vehicle details to identify the vehicles involved in the rentals. Then next is vehicle details is joined with vehicle types to get the type of each vehicles. Then the third is the rd.status equals completed, which filters the data to include only completed rentals. Next is the grouping and aggregation, which group by VT vehicle type ID, which groups the results by vehicle type to perform the aggregate calculation, with example as given is counting the distinct countries. And for the result for each vehicle type, the query outputs the name of the vehicle type, a list of countries where customers rented this type of vehicle, and lastly is the country count, which the number of unique countries represented in the rentals for these vehicle types. Then with this ensures only vehicle types rented by customers from 3 or more countries that are included within the result. With the explanation done, I will now present to you the output for this SQL query right beside me. And with that will...
Kasi tag storage.
That will be... And that will be problem number 24. And now we will move to the next problem.